The SPINN camera plate changes the way you photograph fundamentally. It gives you the greatest freedom ever in the composition of your pictures. The camera becomes one with your body. It will never disturb any movement you make, neither walking nor cycling. With a natural automatic hand movement, you bring the camera from the body to the eye, and you're ready to shoot instantly. We are cameramen and photographers. In 25 years of professional experience, we've been annoyed too often about carrying cameras because the camera hangs uncomfortably on your body, because it slips off your shoulder, because the belt is hanging in front of your eyes, because you're not ready to shoot fast enough at the crucial moment. And that's why we sat down and completely rethought how you carry a camera. The SPINN camera plate puts the cam strap where it belongs, at the base of the camera. So the camera fits your body perfectly and the straps don't interfere with your work, neither when you're shooting handheld or from the tripod. The CP01's four-fold mount for the camera screw and the asymmetrical construction with two eyelets on each side of the plate allow perfect adaptation to any camera model on the market. We wanted to have the SPINN cam plate checked by a successful professional, so we gave it to the New York top photographer Peter Luders. What made us very happy was the fact that Peter worked with the camera plate after seconds, as if he had never used another carrying system before.
I love the SPINN cam plate. It gives me a lot of freedom, especially when I'm alone on set, when I don't always have an assistant for every assignment with me. When I'm alone there, I need to work with light stands, work with the model, give directions to the model, what direction she should look. The camera, I don't want to hold it in the hand, I can just kind of let it go, drop, explain, really cool, but take it up again.
But not only at a professional studio shoot, especially on the road, the SPINN camera plate offers you perfect freedom in handling your camera.
It has this little attachment also for the tripod, so I can just, if I need to, flip it in here.
The SPINN CP01 works with most Arca Swiss type tripods. The changeover to the tripod only takes seconds. It also works with all Arca Swiss-based quick-release systems and makes the handling even faster. Together with the extra-long SPINN heavy-duty camera strap, the system offers unprecedented comfort when carrying professional cameras. Of course, you can use any other strap. The SPINN camera plate shifts your camera's center of gravity from top to base. The optimal distance of the eyelets leads to a perfect balance on your body. Carrying the camera will be incredibly easy.
It doesn't tangle, it doesn't flip over, it doesn't stand up and I hit it against tripods or anything. It's very easy, and even if I go very far distances, I just move it on the back and it sits really securely. Even on the bicycle, it sits really well back there.
With the SPINN camera plate, everything becomes simple and easy. You can finally concentrate completely on taking pictures and on your motive. Because wearing your camera no longer bothers you. Because your camera lies on your body as a matter of course, without you noticing it. Because you can walk, hike, cycle, climb, without your camera disturbing you. And you're still ready to take your picture. In every single moment. In just a second.